Hello guys, welcome back to Let's Learn Hub. Today's topic is recognizing numbers examples. So in my last lecture, I already taught you how to recognize numbers. In this lecture, I will cover few more examples to get better understanding of recognizing numbers. Okay, let's get started. Our first number is 83572. We need to recognize this number. So the approach is same. We need to move from right to left, that is from rightmost digit to leftmost digit, and we need to find the place value of each digit and then combine all those from bottom to top, that is from left to right. We will get that number. Okay, so for this number, the rightmost digit here is 2. So 2 will be in ones place, and the next digit here is 7. 7 will be in tens place, and the next digit here is 5. 5 will be in hundreds place, and the next digit is 3. 3 will be in thousands place, and the next digit is 8. 8 will be in ten thousands place. So we need to combine all these values. That means we have two ones. So two ones means 2. 7 tens is 70. 5 hundreds is 500. 3 thousands is 3000. And 8 ten thousands is 80,000. And we got these values for each digit, and we need to combine from bottom to top. Okay, then you will get the value of this number. So here, if you observe carefully, there are two thousands. One is 3000, another is 80,000. Before combining all, we need to combine these thousands, whatever which are common. You need to combine those first, and then combine all of these, so that you'll get the number. So if we combine this 3000 and 80,000, we will get 83,000. So here we are combining this 8 and 3. So we'll get 83,000, and the rest will remain same. So we will have 83,000 and 570 and 2. We need to combine all these four from bottom to top. If we combine all these four, we'll get 83572 as 83,572. Okay, this is 83,572. This is the value. And our next number is 235481. See, we need to recognize this number now, and we need to follow the same approach for this number too. We need to move from rightmost digit to leftmost digit, and we need to find the place value of each digit, and we need to combine all those digit place values from bottom to top, that is here for leftmost digit to rightmost digit, and we will get the value of that number. So in this number, the rightmost digit here is ones place. This one is in ones place, and the next digit 8 is in tens place, and the next digit 4 is in hundreds place, and the next digit 5 is in thousands place, and the next digit 3 is in ten thousands place, and the next digit 2 is in lakhs place. Okay, and what does this mean? We will have, this means we will have 1 ones is 1, 8 tens is 80, 4 hundreds is 400, 5 thousands is 5,000, 3 ten thousands is 30,000, and 2 lakhs is 2 lakhs. This 2 is in lakhs place, so 2 lakhs is 2 lakhs, and we need to combine all these to get this number. And here again there are two thousands, 5,000 and 30,000. So we need to combine these thousands first, and then combine all from bottom to top. So if we combine these two, we'll get 35,000. So basically we are combining these two, which are in thousands and ten thousands place. So we will have one remain same, tens will be 80, and 400 will remain 400, and thousands will become 35,000, and this 2 lakhs will be 2 lakhs, and we need to combine from bottom to top. We will get 2 lakhs 35,481. See, so we are combining from bottom to top. So we got 2 lakhs 35,481. and this is a number. Okay, it is very easy. You need to find place value from rightmost digit to leftmost digit and combine all those place values from left to right. You will get the value of that number. Okay, and if you get any common values like thousands, we need to combine them first and then combine rest of the things from left to right. Okay, and for the same number 235481, we can also name it in another way. How can we name it? See, this 1 is in ones place, so this value is 1, and 8 is in tens place, this is 8 tens is 80. So this 4 is in hundreds place, this 5 is in thousands place, this 3 is in 10,000s place, and this 2 is in 100,000 place. We can say that this 2 is in 1 lakhs place, or we can also say this 2 is in 100,000s place. Both are correct. And 1 ones means 1, 8 tens is 80, 400 is 400, 5,000 is 5,000, 310,000 is 30,000. Okay, and 200,000 is 200,000. Here we need to combine all these from bottom to top. So before we combine all these, again here there are three thousands. One is 5,000, another is 30,000, another is 200,000. So we need to combine these thousands first and then combine rest of the things. So if we combine these three thousands, we will get 200, 30, and 5,000. Okay, so we'll get, so this 5 is in thousands place, this 3 is in 10,000s place, this 2 is in 100,000s place. Since all are in thousands, we need to combine all these thousands first. So we'll get 235,000, and this 4 will remains 400, this 8 will be 80, and this one will be 1. So we need to combine these 4 now. So we'll get 235,481. Okay, 235,481. This is the value of this number. 235,481 is 235,481. Okay, and our next number is 4275289. Okay, and you don't need to fear for the number of digits in a number. You need to just follow the same approach that we have discussed. That is, you need to find the place value from rightmost digit to leftmost digit and combine them from left to right. Okay, then you will get the value of any number. Okay, and for this number the rightmost digit here is 9. 9 is in ones place, and the next digit 8 is in tens place, and the next digit 2 is in hundreds place, and the next digit 5 is in thousands place, and the next digit 7 is in 10,000s place, and the next digit 2 is in lakhs place, and the next digit 4 is in 10 lakhs place. Okay, and 9 ones means 9, 8 tens is 80, 200 is 200, 5,000 is 5,000, 7 10,000 is 70,000, 2 lakhs is 2 lakhs, 4 10 lakhs is 40 lakhs. Okay, and we need to combine all these now to get this number. Before combining, there are 2 lakhs, that is 2 lakhs and 40 lakhs, and there are two thousands. One is 5,000 and another is 70,000. So we need to combine these thousands first and these lakhs first, and then we have to combine all. So if we combine these 2 lakhs, that is 40 and 2, you'll get 42 lakhs. And if we combine these two thousands, then we'll get 75,000. Let's see. 9 ones will be 9, 8 tens will be 80, and 200s will be 200, and we are combining this 5,000 and this 70,000. So we'll get 75,000. This is 75,000, and we are combining this 2 lakhs and this 40 lakhs, and we will get 42 lakhs. This is 42 lakhs. Okay, now each one is only once, so we can combine all these from bottom to top, and you will get the number. See, if you combine all this from bottom to top, you will get 42 lakhs 75,289. This is the number. Okay, 42 lakhs 75,289. Okay, and We can also name the same number in another way, that is in millions. See how can we name it? This 9 ones will be 9, and 8 tens will be 80, and 200s will be 200, 5,000s will be 5,000, and 10,000s will be 70,000. And we can say this 2 is in lakhs place, or else we can say it is in 100,000 place. If we say this is in 100,000 place, that means we have 200,000, that will be 200,000. And if we say this is in 100,000 place, and the next number will be in millions place, so this 4 is in millions place, that means we have 4 millions. This will become 4 million. Now we have to combine all this from bottom to top. Since we have 3,000 here, again 5,000, 70,000, and 200,000, we need to combine these thousands first, and then combine all from bottom to top. Okay, so if we combine these three, we'll get 275,000. Okay, see, this 9 will be 9, this 8 will be 80, this 2 will be 200, and we are combining this 5,000, this 70,000, and this 200,000. This all combined will become 275,000, and this 4 will remain as 4 million. Okay, and if we combine all this from bottom to top, we'll get this 9 ones will be 9, this 8 tens will be 80, this 200s will be 200, and this 5,000, 70,000, and 200,000, if we combine them, we'll get 275,000, that is 275,000. And this 4 will remain same as 4 million. And if we combine all this from bottom to top, we'll get 4,275,289 as 4,275,289, and this is a value. Okay, this is 4,275,289. Okay, this is the value of this number. And so you have learned numbers and how to recognize them, and you can follow the same approach to recognize any other number. If you understand how to recognize numbers, please give us a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in the next lecture.